everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today we are going to be looking at what I've done with the journal so far. I have not finished it, but it is close to at least the background being done. But I don't have it done in time, so you're going to see what I've done already, and maybe I can just inspire you with the ideas that I have already in the book. Maybe later in another film or video later on down the road, I'll show you what I've done with it after I've worked in it for a little while. But for today, we're just going to show you what I've done since last week. So I've added a butterfly right here. It's a glittery one. I don't know if you can see that. And then I also added a dragonfly that I found. And it's a little metal dragonfly, or aluminum maybe. So you all have seen this from last week's video where I decorated the cover. So I'm going to start you out with page 1. You've seen me make this. This is the front cover with the pocket. Page 2, or page 1. I just added a photo from the encyclopedia, this encyclopedia. And I just added some little spots to journal in. I added some ribbon on this page. I'm not adding a whole lot of stuff because I want to be journaling in it, or adding pictures, or whatever it is that I'm going to be doing. This is going to be my faith journal, so I'm probably going to add a bunch of Bible verses and some artwork and things like that that I want to include. But here's another journaling space here. I stamped the side here and then added a piece of tea-dyed paper and some washi tape and stickers. And then here is a little homemade envelope and a little tuck spot here using this little leaf. And then we have an envelope right here, and I just added washi tape on the edge of that. I added some note papers. I've got several there, about 4 pages there. And then this, I used some tulle for the side just to make a little cute pocket. And I just added a picture that I liked at school, an old schoolhouse, one-room schoolhouse. I also added some gold string or ribbon there, decorative ribbon. This is washi tape on the side with some of the paper doilies that you can buy. Here's another fold-out spot. I'll add more paper to this, or more writing, whatever I have. I added a tip in here. Added some washi tape to the edge of that. It's kind of a sparkly washi tape. And then I can write inside of that space. And then here's another open space, but I added some little diamond glitter things. I don't know what they're called. And I also did the paper cutting for the edge of the paper. Same thing on this side. Oops. Oh, I also made these little cute little paper clip with little ribbons on the top, real easy. On this page, I added some little pearls. And this side, we've got some lace on the edge. This one is different. I had kept the insides of the ribbons open. So the middle, I only glued the very middle here, and the very middle here, and then the top edges around, so that I can put pictures or whatever I want inside of these little ribbons. Like that. So I thought that was a neat idea. And here I just added some stickers and some washi on the edges. This I'll probably put some of my favorite hymns. So I added some music notes on that. Here's a place where I did a stamp and then added a piece of coffee or tea dyed paper. Here's a pocket. I added some ribbon, cute little ribbon, and then I used one of those little mini brads and added this little cross charm. That was really simple. This page, added a bunch of stickers, and I can add whatever I want to it as I go along. I cut the edge with the, I forgot what those scissors are called, but they've got the little jaggedy edge to it. I added some floppy ribbon, little puffball ribbons there on that one, and on this side I've got some old lace that someone gave me. I didn't do much to this one, just some washi tape on this page. This one I added a bunch of cloud thingies for speaking, so I probably have prayers or verses or things God has promised or something like that. I don't know yet. I got some owls, some washi tape down here, washi tape all around on that side. I've got another ribbon up here. And then I cut the edge as well. Oh, that came off. I've got some post-it notes right there, so I can take them on and off if I want to. And of course my little pockets that we had made earlier. And I've got some of those little magnets, page magnets. Don't worry, Philippians 4:6. I added the ribbon with flowery ribbon right there for my pocket. On this page, I added a zebra to go along with the stripes on the page. This is an envelope on this, and I just added a beautiful tissue paper that was given to me, and I just used Mod Podge for that and did a tip in for the envelope itself, added some washi tape to get it on there, and then I stamped this side of it, so later on I'll probably come in and color it and give it some more life. And did a little stamp there and some little ribbon here on the side. This one I did, let's see, take these out and in. Put different papers in there if you want to. They're just little, I don't know, you want to call it belts or what have you. But I just stamped the little pieces of paper, and I can put little notes or prayers or whatever on that with some butterfly stickers. This page I didn't do anything to. That one I haven't done anything to either. I'll tell you what, junk journaling is very time consuming. But I enjoy it. It is really fun. I did a stamp here and then I went back over it with some marker. I added a fake flower right here to put in that spot. This right here is a coloring book for myself. I got a bunch of images from Google and added a envelope for a pocket, and later on I'll just go back in and color these. So that's what I did for that one. I didn't do anything to this side yet. I didn't do anything on that page or that page. This page, I did add the little fuzzy balls there. I added some pearls, sticker pearls. And then on this is one of those pictures from the encyclopedia, and it is the panine chain. which is, this mountain system extends from Scotland to central England. But I just thought it was a beautiful, beautiful scenery. Maybe one day I'll get to go. And then here's another image from the encyclopedia. It's a tarsier. But I love his little eyes and peeking through right there. I thought that was cute. And then this, I've got a tuck-in spot on the top and on the bottom. And, oops, I just glued it on the back of some scrapbook paper. And those are elephants. Added some ribbon there. Oh, and I added, this is actually 2 pieces of paper put together. It's got butterflies and different things, and that's a tuck-in. And there's another ribbon there. And then there's another flip out. And then I added this little ribbon. And then here's a little magnet, God is faithful, bicycle on the back. And then inside that we have another pocket to put stuff. And then this side we have that interesting fold, tuck, whatever you want to call it, to put more secretive thoughts. And then some washi tape on that. I've got another ribbon up top right there. And some ribbon on the side here. And that is all I got done, guys. And that's taken me about 2 days to do. But look how thick it is already. I've got too many pages and they're still. And I took out quite a bit. So there you have it. And I will add more to it, which means it's going to bulk up even more. But I really like it. I think it turned out pretty good. And I obviously have a whole lot more to do. I just wanted to show you where I was with it. And like I said, I'll do a flip through on it another time when it's finished. And I'm hoping that you all have done your own little book and you can let me know how yours went. Obviously, I should have taken out more pages, but I didn't. As you can see, it's very big. This is the end of this series of how to make a junk journal altered book. If you have any questions or comments and you want to ask me, just go ahead and put it in the comment section below. If you like this video and you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe. I would love to hear from you and bring you more videos in the coming months. Alright, you guys, you have a great day and I will see you next Thursday.